everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful car, guys. Fun car to bang the gears in. It's got a pounding little 355 cubic inch small block in it. 4-speed, 10-bolt with a 373. Matter of fact, this car, I guess, is a recent body-up restoration, and as you'll see at the bottom of the car, the floors and everything, I guess the drivetrain is super fresh. Matter of fact, I ordered traction bars and put them on this thing because you couldn't get the rubber to the ground, man. I mean, this thing would just chatter the tires because it's just too much low-end torque with that 355 in it and the 373 gears. So brand new Lakewood traction bars on, heavy-duty traction bars. Factory Bolero red car, factory black vinyl interior. Brand new Nitto rubber all the way around it. Brand new REV Anthracite aluminum wheels. Very cool car, man. Fun car to drive. And again, the way it was explained to me, this car has actually been going through a process of a restoration for some time, and the drivetrain doesn't have any miles on it. See a little damage there, right there in your front grille. Not a whole lot to nitpick on the paint. I've seen a couple little blemishes, but really not much, man. Very nice car. They replaced the bumpers. Chrome and stainless is pretty doggone nice on it. Of course, it's got that cowl hood, which everybody loves. The car sits good. Like I say, fun car to bang the gears on. Interior's really nice. Slick paint. One of those cars, I will tell you this, it's you got to be careful. They can get away from you. This car will run. Get nice and straight down the sides, brand spanking new rubber. I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown on this car being such a fresh restoration. That's a pretty car right there. Car's very nice underneath too. Shiny black floors. You could put mirrors underneath this car. Again, healthy 355, which is a 30 over 350 small block in it. Holley Performance 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake, does have headers. Nice little cam in it. You can see it's got the Vortec center bolt valve covers in it. Power steering. It's got aftermarket AC. AC blows cold. Front disc brakes. I mean, look at the steering box and everything. Everything's brand new. You can tell they haven't driven this car. They put the inspection marks on the firewall like when it came down the factory. 4-speed manual transmission. Not a crazy heavy clutch, but it definitely has a performance clutch in it. Nothing crazy though. But when it grabs, it scoots, I'll tell you that. It's got pretty paint on it. You see that dash is super nice in there. Good looking car. That's just wax, guys, on those gills there. Guys, put a nice coat of wax on it. Yesterday I shot a quick video of it coming in, but like I say, it just wasn't worth trying to run it down the road or anything because it needed to get those traction bars on it. These are original, showing a little age. New mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers. You can see the door skins are nice and clean. It looks like it's got all new interior. Bucket seats. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the sports steering wheel. Headliner looks new. Showing, what is it, 39,000, but like I say, they say there's less than 500 miles on this car. New padded dash, aftermarket radio. Again, the AC works. It's got the aftermarket controls for the AC. They've got the custom kick panels in it with the speakers in there. Parking brake works. Flowmaster dual exhaust. 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. It's all spackle coated in the trunk here like it should be. Cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. Good looking car, man. Again, the floors are painted all shiny black. Car's got great sound. Sits good. Yeah, just a little wax there. Just popped off. They definitely repadded, refoamed the seats. Really cool car. Go ahead and fire it up, Mike. Again, new door handles. This stuff's all new. This stuff looks original here. You kind of pick that if you're going to pick something on the car. And it, car rocks, man. Put the air on, Mike. Got to push a little button on it, set the air. That's good, Mike. Air blows cold. Hear that nasty little fan working in there. That is a cool car right there. Good sound, man. Not really much for gauges in there. Fuel gauge works. Again, the parking brake works. Doors open and close nice. Turn down. Reverse. Give it a little rev, Mike. Oh, it's good, man. If you just push the button in on that left side, the radio. Nope, the radio. Nope, left side. There it goes. Oh, I'm sorry. You had it. Radio works. You can blow yours out. Be careful. Wipers. Headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking there, the little red button there. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.